Thank you. Very good. Thank you. All right. Here we see dietary guidelines for Americans. Okay, the set of recommendations. We've already looked at those in detail. We want to focus on the ABCs, aiming for fitness. Who can give us an example of aiming for fitness? Yes, Jaden?
Being at least physically active for 60 minutes a day.
Okay, very good. Thank you for sharing. That is a great way to improve your overall food that you eat in between meals. Yes, you have something to add to that?
Yeah, it is also going to provide you with energy and nutrients to give you throughout the day, but it is not as big as a meal.
Okay, so it's something you kind of eat in between those meals, right? To help sustain you until you can get to the next meal of the day. Very good. All right, so now I want you guys to discuss with your group members, discuss with your partners, what your actual favorite snacks are. Go ahead and take a couple of seconds to discuss with your group, and then you can share out with the class.
I like cookies.
Did you guys share that with each other? Good job. Okay, did y'all share that with each other? Okay, very good, very good. All right, so who wants to share out with the class? Yes, Hector? Oh yeah, those hot chips. Students love them. I see them all the time. All right, who else wants to share out with the class? Adolfo? You like fruit snacks and hot fries. Very good, very good. So let's look at the next question here. Where do you get your snacks? Yes, Jay? Where do you get them?
We get them from student corner or home, vending machines, that type of stuff.
Okay, all right. Yes, Brian, you had your hand up?
School, the gas station, convenience store.
Okay.
Liquor store.
Okay, very good, very good. The next question here. When or where do you get your snacks from? When or where do you get the snacks that you eat? Yes, Shirley?
I'm home in the room.
Okay, you like to eat in your room at home? Do you turn the trash on the trash can?
I have a little trash.
A little trash can, very good. Yes, Janet?
I also eat them at school or when I'm in the car.
Okay, yes. We eat in the car all the time. When we're on the go, when we're busy, you just gotta get it in when you can. Very good, very good. All right, so look at the next one here. Can snacks be cultural? Have you ever thought about where snacks come from or how they can connect with culture? What do you got? Yes?
Pepitas are like pumpkin seeds, those are like Mexican snacks.
Okay. Like the little seeds that you can just eat them, pop them in. Pepitas. Okay, very good. Who else has an example? All right, Rose.
So like avocados are from like Peru. So
Okay. Do you like them? Do you eat them?
yeah.
Delicious. All right. And anybody else have an example? Yes.
Edamames are little like soybeans
Mhm.
that come from Japan.
Okay, very good. All right. Has anybody here ever tried edamame before? Okay. That's something you could consider trying. Okay, they make it in all different flavors, and a lot of people really enjoy it. Okay, delicious. All right. So next question. I didn't put it up here. Y'all have to think about it. Do you think that snacks can be a part of a healthy lifestyle? Can snacks be a part of? Yes, Amelia.
It can sometimes. It just depends on what you eat. Like Takis is not healthy.
Mm-hmm. So you know this. You've heard it before. Okay. So definitely snacks can be part of a healthy lifestyle. It depends on what you choose, right? You have to purposely select things that you know are going to benefit your health and keep you away from or prevent disease. Okay. Everything that you eat and drink matters. Variety actually is a good thing because it helps you get the different nutrients that you need from different foods. Okay. And then that can help limit some of the diseases that come with eating the wrong thing. All right? In the next slide, well, I'm not going to go to the next slide because I have Choose Sensibly here. So we are looking at You can go to those in your notes. We're looking at making a snack goal for your group. Also, selecting healthful meals. We're not looking at meals today. We're looking specifically at the snack part of the balanced diet. Okay, so you guys are going to be looking at the healthy snacks that you have in your packets. And you're going to be analyzing those snacks, telling which option is the most healthy. So I'm going to give you, let me set the timer. I'm going to have to go get my phone to do that. I'm going to set my timer. I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes. It's 10 o'clock on the clock to analyze your healthy snacks and to make a snack goal for your group with your group members. Okay? Time starts now.
Let's choose information like my plate apps, or we can just do a simple Google search. Let's try a calorie tool. If that can give us all the calories and do the information.
All right. So who we are going to? So that's one. Okay, so did you guys figure out where to go to get your calorie information?
Yeah, the calories, fat, carbs, protein, protein, and then this is just like more expansive. Something the basics, like down here is like when it comes to like just burning it off. For exercise, it's different from exercises.
So when you finish this one, then you can compare with that. Very good. And share out. Okay, we'll chat tomorrow. Janet, you're still in here. How did you know? So you just make sure that you know which one it is. And what was your goal? Okay.
I guess you would be sitting too, right? So you would have to put your information here. So just do it too. Yeah, so not just like how many calories just the-
We'll do it based on the slide, so. Okay, looks like we have about 2 more minutes. And I'm gonna tell you which group is gonna go first based on which slide comes up. Looks like we got about 1 minute and 5 seconds left. So this is gonna be group 1. So be ready. Got 1 minute. All right, you guys have any questions?
So, yeah, on this side.
Our minute is up. Okay, who's ready to share out? I have the first group on the board here. Okay, go ahead and stand up and share out with your snacks and tell us which one is healthier and tell us why you chose that.
I had Cheeto Puffs, he had popcorn. I would do the Cheeto Puffs. The website we used was My Plate app. It's a simple Google search. We tried the Calorie King. My food has 150 calories.
My food had 59 calories.
Okay.
Cheeto Puffs had 10 grams of fat, saturated versus unsaturated.
Okay.
I remember unsaturated fats are associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, like a heart attack. That's the best one to consider. Cheeto Puffs also has 300 milligrams of sodium, and popcorn has 88 milligrams of sodium. Do we want to factor?
So tell us which one that you guys come up with was the healthiest based on the information you had.
Based on the information we had, popcorn was
The
better than
popcorn.
Cheeto Puffs.
Okay. So did it have a certain type of popcorn?
Yeah, it was microwave oiled popcorn.
Okay. So no added butter or salt on the popcorn, just the microwavable kind.
Yeah.
Very good. All right, and what was your food goal, your snack goal that you came up with?
Our goal was I could use a food app to help track my eating habits, and this will help me get to quantity.
Very good, very good. Thank you for sharing out. All right, here's group number 2. Who had the candy versus the trail mix? Okay.
Basically, we concluded that the trail mix is healthier than the candy, but the candy costs less, which is the unhealthy option, rather than the healthy option.
Okay. Can you give us one factor that helped you make that decision, the overall decision?
The trail mix is only 43 calories,
Uh-huh.
while the Twix is 110 calories.
Okay.
And
All right.
it has less sugar than the candy.
Okay. Okay. And what was the goal your group came up with for snacking?
We said that we can try different foods and consider which one is healthier.
Okay.
Keep that in mind.
Some foods that maybe you haven't had before or even heard about, like when we talked about the cultural type foods today. Very good. Thank you for sharing out. Nachos Grande versus chips and salsa.
Okay, so, we were in charge of doing chips and salsa versus nachos grande. Ultimately, we decided that chips and salsa are healthier by a lot. So we use Calorie King for both of them, mainly because it's more of an expansive website. So it gives you everything from saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, sodium, dietary fiber. It gives you everything that you need to know. Sodium-wise, they are both kind of similar. 2,380 for chips and salsa, 2,640 for nachos grande. The huge difference is in fat, which is 27 grams for chip and salsa and 63 grams of fat for nachos grande. And it was just, there's less calories in chips and salsa,
Right.
which is a total of 620 calories, and nachos grande is 1,099 calories.